Every negotiation involves conflict, and it can't be wished away. In fact, it's what makes it a negotiation in the first place. The fact that you want one thing and I want something else. You'd like to get the price up here, I want to get it down here, or whatever the issue of contention is. The problem is that for many people, that's as far as negotiating goes. Now, how do you get beyond that? To really negotiate creatively, you have to broaden your horizon in terms of what negotiating actually is. And it's not a single activity. In fact, it's a continuum of activities that make up the overall process. It begins with simple bargaining, moves into creative deal-making, and at the far end of the continuum is strategic relationship building. To get into adding value to the deal, you have to get beyond the simple bargaining focus, which is what do I want to get out of this deal for myself, to the creative question, which is what do you need to get out of the deal that you may not have even thought of yourself? And how can I meet your needs in a way that will open up new opportunities for us both?